This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is a Jaecoo 6 EV. It is only 4.4 meters long, but it's like the poor man's Jeep or the poor man's Geländewagen. It's actually all-wheel drive. So in this video, we're gonna find out how much space we have. It is boxy. It should score really well on my test then with banana boxes. Now let's start with the front first. Well, it has a relatively large front hood, you know, and if an EV is called something EV or E something, then usually indicates that there's also a fossil version. And I think this is also the case. I don't know too much about Jaecoo, but look here. We have, oh, it doesn't hold up by itself. Okay, do this. Maybe it's not meant to be open that much. So that's it. No frunk here. There's a cover. I'm not sure if I want to take it off. Oh, it seems like you have to unscrew, yeah, here to open the cover. But I would assume that beneath here there's a lot of empty space. And then here we just have the washer fluid filler. That's it. So no frunk here. Here I have to highlight a slight disadvantage with the Jaecoo 6, which is the door. It opens like this. And that becomes a slight problem when you use it in shopping malls or anywhere where you have parking spots that have, well, you know, they park back to back and you need a space here because you see how much space it eats behind it. So compared to the BYD Dolphin here from Ceramic Pro, then I measure that it extends out maybe not even half a banana box, 1/3 of a banana box, right? But here, let's try to measure roughly from there-ish. You see, we're talking about 2 banana boxes out to extra space. That is quite massive, especially in a country like Thailand, where many people drive pickup trucks, and I've seen it over and over again that pickup trucks, they go over their own line towards my spot. So then it becomes cumbersome. At least here we seem to have plenty of space, quite boxy area, and then here we can open the lid. Wait, okay, there. Open the lid, and that reveals a foam. Okay, we can take out this one for the test. Well, there's a subwoofer here. So then, well, actually you can remove the foam. Well, then it gives you this weird shape. But let's try it for the maximum space then. So here we have 12-volt outlet, we have a light there. We have a pocket here for something. Well, is this supposed to be a 3rd row? Oh no, that can't be a 4.4 meter long car. Yeah, that seems to be the amplifier. And the subwoofer here from Temu. No, I'm just kidding. And then what is this? PLC and F, huh? Well, I don't know what that is. Okay. Anyway, so it actually frees up a little bit space here. Nice, nice. Well, first round in the trunk. I found out that it's actually best to keep the phone there because then we can stack them more evenly. And they didn't even give more space anyway. So, but unfortunately, we could only fit 6 boxes in here. And I think the reason is that the trunk is quite shallow. So there's not much room to shuffle around boxes to squeeze in more. And then the seat cannot be adjusted more upright to give more space. So if you had just 10, 15 extra centimeters, then I can suddenly start stacking an upright or 2 together or something like that to make more space. So unfortunately, only 6 then. Now here comes the tricky part because the seats, they can be folded 2 ways. You take up this, wait, how is it? Well, you have to pull up this. It's a bit hard. I hope I don't break anything. I'm there. You can pull up the seat like this, and it actually gives you extra space here for some luggage. Very nice. And then you fold the seat quite flat, or you fold it like most other cars, and then you see we have a little bit angle there. So which one yields the better for banana boxes? Well, here in this case we can put a banana box in the footwell. Here we cannot put it in the footwell, so we're losing 1 there. But then here we get a flat surface. Do you need to try both of them? Okay, I chose the missionary, the classic style of folding the seat, because I noticed that when you fold it like this, you see, you can have the boxes upright. Normally I cannot fit another box in the middle console. Here I can. Then I utilize this, so we will actually lose 3 boxes here, which counts a lot, and we still manage to stack all the way up there. And you see, it's quite boxy. So it's been filled up to the max here. And the door closes, of course. Okay, for the last time here in Thailand, let's turn up the pitch and count in Thai.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16
22, 23, 24. 24 boxes. Hallelujah. In a car that is only 4.4 meters and 24 boxes is actually quite impressive. So there you guys have it. If you want a car with good space and actually compact length, then go for the Jaecoo 6. Except for that you can't buy it in Europe. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the Thai series. And that's going to be it for now. Wait, I mixed up everything. Okay, thank you for watching and talk to you later.